Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my last video here in this home, my home, because in next video you'll see where I'm going. So before I say anything else, let's dive deep into this video, which is about books. You ask me why I'm doing this like after 8 months, because I won't be able to carry all these books at the end of the year to make a video. रुकावट के लिए खेद है. सो एज आई वाज सेइंग, बुक्स वीडियो रिव्यू 6 मंथ्स का मैं अभी करूँगी और 6 मंथ्स का मैं कहीं और करूँगी. आई होप सो कि मैं उतनी बुक्स पढ़ पाऊँ. देन ऑल्सो आई डोंट हैव माई ब्लूटूथ बटन फॉर द वीडियो दैट आई लाइक यूजली यूज. So I have to get up every time to pause the video, to restart the video. So that's that. And मैंने जनवरी फरवरी तो बिल्कुल बुक्स नहीं पढ़ी थी बिकॉज एग्जाम्स थे, बोर्ड्स चल रहे थे. तो आई स्टार्टेड इन मार्च. सो यू कैन से इट्स लाइक 6 months because it's August now, so technically 6 months. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's video. ये सीरीज पहले ख़त्म करके बता के, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली, or I'm not going like January or like March, April wise. I'm just showing you like ऐसे उल्टा सीधा. Okay, so the oh my gosh, 3 books, in a series is King of Sins. So first one is Wrath, then we have Pride, and then we have Greed. Oh my god, these 3 are insane. I like read it like 1 to 2 days maximum time period. Like जैसे एग्जाम खत्म हुआ, I just started reading the books because I had a lot of collection, lot of books to read. That's why wow, like these 3 are like, if you love Twisted series, right, you will love these 2 as well. Like these 3, 2 like TOO2. I love these 3, and my favorite, I would say King of Wrath. Yeah, but it's kind of like enemies to lovers, like in between. But all 3 are amazing. Like, oh my god, I love those 6 people. And King of Sloth आ चुकी है guys, and मैंने अभी तक नहीं पढ़ी है. I'm waiting for the time, a right time to read it. I will read it obviously. मैंने सर सीरीज बहुत पढ़ी है अभी तक 6 months. So 6 months like from March. Okay, so these 2 मैंने लास्ट ईयर पढ़ी थी इसकी. these 2 like the Inheritance Games and the Hawthorne Legacy, and this year I read the Final Gambit and Hawthorne Brothers. These 2 are really interesting because पहली वाली पढ़ के दूसरी वाली पढ़ के I forgot everything for like an year because it was over an year since I read those 2. So it was really difficult to read these 2 because मुझे सब कुछ याद करना पड़ रहा था, because it has a lot of riddles and lot of games. Like it is a game. So yeah, if you're interested in like riddles, games, and like loopholes, this is for you. And इसकी 5th वाली आ रही है. I don't remember the name, but I'll put it on the screen. Yeah, amazing books if you like loopholes and आपका अपना दिमाग खराब करना है तो read these. एग्जाम खत्म होते ही I started one book. मैंने ये सब ऐसे मैं उल्टा सीधा दिखा रही हूँ, not like in a sequence. So the first book I read is this, How to Kill Your Family. It is not what it is, but it is what it is, if you understand. Like this book, it is a family, but you'll see when you read it. I loved it. Like wow, like people say, what are you reading? Like when I bought this, people were really judging me, but trust me, it's really like worthy. Like don't go by its name, don't judge a book by its cover. It's really good. If you are a reader, if you're like really a reader, you will love this. It has a lot of emotions, a lot of action, a lot of drama. And we are getting a second book of this in a series, so better than the movies. I loved it. Liz and what was the best? Liz and Liz. Chashma foggy ho raha hai, I don't know why, but yeah. Again, we are getting the second part of this book. I'm really waiting for it, and मेरा चश्मा foggy हो रहा है. I don't know because of humidity or something, I don't know. So it is really cute. The way he was always caring for her, I loved it. It's like a childhood love. Oh my god. But she never expected in that way. So I loved it. Like everyone had read this. I'm sure of it. Don't judge my shirt, it's a little wet. Because I was washing my face and then got water all over me. So yeah, little disclaimer. So most of you hate Colin Hoover now, like after all those controversies and everything. But listen. Reminders of Him and November 9th is worth reading. Like if you hate Colin Hoover because of all the drama, just like don't go for Variety and Ugly Love. Go for November 9th and Reminders of Him. I don't have Reminders of Him because I like borrowed it from my friend and then I gave it to her. जब मैं बनारस गई थी, I carried that book and मैंने उसको एक दिन में पढ़ लिया था because it was so good. It was so good. Like wow, it was so good. It was so emotional. I loved that book. Like उसमें ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था जो खराब था मेरे point of view से. Like my opinion. It's my opinion, okay? And this one also, it has a little dark side of it, like a little bit, like they do, like this bit. Like I get it why people hate Colin Hoover. All the books, like, but these two have like very little version of dark sides to their characters, to the story. But please, if you still hate Colin Hoover, don't want to read, but you are still like, should I read? Read these two, like Reminders of Him and November 9th. अभी तक I showed you 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 one invisible, but I read this. So 9 book done already. Okay, so we have 4 books left. Like this one is Shamshara. Everyone is like was really talking about this book, so I gave it a read. It is good. Like if you like mythology, Indian mythology and like mountains, and is there something like we read and mythology is really there. If you like the science fiction, it's not science if you say no. It is fiction, but it's based on mythology, Hindu mythology, like Indian mythology. If you love those aspects of the world, India, and obviously it's by an Indian author, so I will promote this because you should promote your community. So give it a read. It's really good. It's really nice because I love mythology. That's why I read it, and it's really good. It's really good. I love the concept of it. Concept of it. Blabbering. I am, but बहुत अच्छी है. Give it a try. Asked before I leave these 3. इसकी भी एक और book आने वाली है. What was the name? King of Elfame. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So the Cruel Prince, the Wicked King, and the Queen of Nothing. It's so good. Like I think it's a little underrated. और like मेरे को जो लगता है कि underrated है. Maybe नहीं है तो अच्छी बात है. But I think this is underrated. These 3. 4th भी आ चुकी कि आने वाली I don't know. I have to still like check because अभी मैंने एकदम ख़त्म किया पढ़ के इसको, तो मैंने कुछ सर्च नहीं किया अभी तक. But these 3 are so great. I love these 3. But yeah, give it a read if you really like the series. You know the series वाले books जो होते हैं like Twisted Tea, Dreamland Billionaire series. Oh, I love that series. Last year I recommended it. I don't know how many people read it because not many people watch my videos. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I also got a gift from my long time friend, and she gifted me this. Of course I read it last year. Oh, this, but It's just love, out of love. She gave me out of love, so I accepted it. Obviously, I'm not gonna just no, I don't want it, so I have it. But I'm not going to read it because I have already read it. But she gave me a little cutesy note inside it that I really loved it when I read it. Wow. Yeah, books and plants are my go-to love. If you want to send me something, choose between these two. Just kidding. But all the books I recommended today, please go check it out if you haven't read any of these till yet. And I hope to see you in the next video. Yeah. Bye. Why did you did that? I don't know. Okay, bye. And also, do you like the new setup? It's like not the setup, but I rearranged the whole room. So my study table is here now. Hello. It's not in that room anymore. So yeah, that's yeah. Bye.